The elusive chimney sweep myth has been debunked. A chimney sweep alone does not make your chimney safe. The hidden truth is there's animals living in your chimney. Broken bricks, chimney caps that don't fit, and liners that aren't even lined in your chimney. Fact is, many chimneys were not built correctly in Texas. We find unknown water leaks, cracks all over the chimneys, bad construction discovered, previous fires, and unknown fire hazards, creating a situation that we can prevent so we can keep your toes warm by the fire and let your family sleep good at night. Call Masters today and we will come out and perform a full camera inspection on your fireplace and chimney from the ground all the way to the top of the chimney. There's no secret in our discoveries, and we will prove and show you all the issues that we find with our high-tech camera systems that will show you all the stuff that you cannot see without a flashlight. We'll write up a full report, like a home inspector's report, on every item, every part of the fireplace and chimney. We'll show you the exterior and interior all on this report. Don't buy into the chimney myth of hiring someone who has just a brush, a ladder, and a pole to clean a fireplace. Chances are they just have no education on how to maintain your fireplace other than just cleaning the chimney. Here at Masters Services, we've been in business for 28 years, and with over 300 5-star reviews, we can prove to you that not only do we know what we're doing, but we've actually taken the education and the training upon ourselves with the CSIA. So schedule your chimney inspection today.